Hi everyone, my name is Mike Jacobs. Welcome to my presentation on learning theory application. I chose to do Class Dojo. Class Dojo is a tool used by teachers, students, parents, and school leaders. Teachers are able to assign students points based on their behavior in class. There may be negative points or it may be positive points. The parents and the students are driven to stay motivated due to the use of Class Dojo. Some of the things that students may earn positive points for are being an effective communicator, participating, having a positive attitude, being prepared for class, being on task, being respectful, transitioning well, and teamwork. Some of the negative points that students can also earn or have deducted are communication, hallway behavior, having a negative attitude, being off task, not working with the team, or not showing respect. So there's a well balance of skills that we want to be positively reinforced, and there are things that we don't want to be reinforced. So the teachers are able to use Dojo to give those positive and negative points based on the behaviors that they're seen in the class for individual students and as a whole class. The theory that connects with Class Dojo is the Behaviorist Theory. And that theory says it's an approach to explain the behaviors as a response to an outside stimuli known as the classic conditioning. And the other side of that is the operant conditioning that says a child can voluntarily control their own their responses. Some of the behaviors or some of the situations that shape that behavior are positive reinforcement, negative reinforcement, and punishment. A positive reinforcement is a situation set up to increase a desired behavior from a stimulus. For example, earning a dojo point. So a student may earn a dojo point for participating in a lesson. A negative reinforcement is a situation set up to increase a desired behavior by removing a stimulus. Then there's punishment, a situation set up to decrease a desired behavior from an undesirable consequence. So for example, a student may receive a lunch detention for being disruptive in class if that's one of the negative dojo points that they received. Behaviorist Theory and Class Dojo. So how to shape student behavior using positive reinforcement to reward students for their learning. Again, giving students the positive dojo points, using the points to give students incentives, because as we know, students will work harder when they receive incentives. Using dojo when students are not displaying the desired behaviors and explaining to them why that is. And also using it to communicate with parents. This is a great and effective way so that parents stay in the loop and they understand how their child's behavior is impacting their learning. All right? Thank you for listening.